Hi you guys, welcome back. I'm Michelle, and today I wanted to show you how to make some ornaments that are personalized. Now you can use these as ornaments like I do on a Christmas tree, or you can use them as tags for a present, a gift that you're giving away. And of course you can decorate them any color and use any of the leftover supplies that you have to make them. Okay, so how I do this is I take the ends of paint stir sticks that I use to make swags and other crafts. And I cut off that curve so that I could have the straight part of the stir stick in a lot of my crafts. And so what I do with the ends that are curved like this, I will paint them and then I use them as ornaments. I go ahead and I paint them whatever color. In this case, I painted them blue. And then I write the person's name that I want to put on the ornament. This is Jackson. He's my newest grand nephew. And this year, I have two grandnephews, Jackson and Luke. And I'm going to make them each an ornament to put on our Christmas tree that I decorate every year with all my grandnephews and nieces. So all I do is I'm going to paint them with this True Navy from Apple Barrel. And so once my paint is dry, then I take a white paint marker and then I just go in and I just handwrite his name. It's like that. And then I'll wait for it to dry for a few minutes and then I'll go back and do it again so that it looks bright. You'll probably have to do it 2 or 3 times. Then, while that one dries, we'll do Jackson's. Then I just take some of this leftover red yarn or cord that I have and I wrap it around the top. Let's see, I'll pull it a little bit more. And then I'll go in on the back and I'm going to hot glue it. Before I do that, sorry, I forgot the hanger. So then I just take this gold cord, cut me off a good piece of it, determine how, see, I want it to hang about 2.5 inches before the knot. So then I'll take the rest and I'll make a knot in it. Let's see, I don't want it to be too long. But you can make it however long you want it. Okay, and I'm going to cut it about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch under the knot. What I'll do here is I'll go and I'll glue it right there to the back of my ornament. Okay, so you just go in with your hot glue. I'm going to make a line of hot glue right in the middle, about a 1/2 inch long. See, and then you'll just put your hanger right there in the glue. And then I'll start my cord right there so it can get attached to that glue. And then just start wrapping your cording around it. And if you run out and you need to wrap it some more, just grab another piece. And I will cut this and secure it with some hot glue. Okay, and there we go. And then once it's dry, you can hang it on your tree, or you can put it on a gift, on a wrap gift or a gift bag. Just hang it. Okay, and you can see I did the same thing here, except for the girls. I just put a bow at the top instead of, I hot glued the hanger, and then I put a ribbon bow instead of the string. And I'll show you that one more time with this one. Okay, so I'm going to show you again how to put the hanger and the red cord around the name tag. You can see on this one I put the name on both sides, and that's so that if you've got it on a tree and it gets turned around, you can see it's, you know, the name. Okay, so I've already made the hanger. I'm just going to okay. Oops. And I will take a long strand. Let's see, a little bit more glue. I can start my winding. I'm going to cut this piece, and then I'm going to start. And you could stop here if you wanted to. I like to bring it all the way as close to the top as I can. And I don't have longer pieces. I'm just going to put a little bit more of hot glue right here, right on these two edges, and then secure that in there. Put that right here. Now cut that edge off and let that dry. And then we have our other ornament. So once it's dry, it's going to be really secure so that you can hang it on your tree. And here are three that I have. This one I actually made last year, because this year we don't have any new girls in the family, just a couple of boys. And then I'll hang them on my tree. My kitchen tree is the tree that I make for all the kids. So I make it kind of fun, decorate it a little bit more fun, and then they have all their names on there. So when they come, they can pick out their names. Okay, and here is my kitchen tree with the names. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions on it, please let me know, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that you can enjoy all the new videos that I'll be making this year and in the coming year in 2025.